put butter. And I'm going to put oil so the butter will not burn. Or you can just use oil. It's up to you. Garlic. Onions. Frozen mixed vegetables. It has carrots, green peas, and corn. Cook for a few minutes. Add the pastrami. You can also use ham, cooked bacon, sausage, whatever meat you like. I even do leftover steak if I have leftover steak. Cook for a few minutes and add rice. It's better to use cold rice or leftover rice for fried rice. For the amount of fried rice, it's up to you how much rice you want. I don't measure anything. I will just mix this quick so whatever's in the bottom will not burn. Then I will put some seasonings. I love putting onion powder and garlic powder when I cook. I just love the flavors. A little bit of salt. Mix and make sure to break the clumps of rice. It will easily break down when it's hot. So this is still cold. I'm making a well here to put more butter and a little bit of oil. The rice needed it. I'm not going to put black pepper since the pastrami is already peppery. So make sure to add enough oil from the start so you don't have to add more like I did. It's because I don't want to put a lot of oil when I'm cooking. Now that the rice is almost done, I will push this here. Make a little bit of room for the eggs. Put butter or oil, whichever you like. Put the eggs. I put a little bit of salt in that. You can scramble the eggs as well if you like, but I like it this way. I think it tastes better. So just break the yolk and then mix it. Keep mixing. So you can also put soy sauce or oyster sauce in your fried rice. I don't like to put it. I just like salt, pepper, garlic, onions. So this is now ready to be mixed in with the rice. It's looking good. Cook it until the eggs are done. And this is now done. Let's eat breakfast or brunch.